What's up, y'all? I'm Shannon Brielle. My friends call me Shan, and welcome to Shannon Shenanigans. Shenanigans. So, by GOT7, we're not gonna do it that way because I don't want you to be able to see my address. My 5th Generation Goods came in, and I'm really excited because, obviously I've been waiting for this package since, freaking July. So I'm really excited to open this today. I asked the Twitter sphere, and y'all said that you wanted to see me open it, so I'm doing this just for you. I literally picked up this package at 8 in the morning this morning. Oh my god, it is so hot. I literally picked up this package at 8 in the morning this morning and practiced what the adults call self-control and did not open it until just now because I wanted to do it for you. So the battery's dying. I'm so mad. So we're gonna do this as fast as possible because the sun is setting and I don't feel like setting up my lights. So here we go. I'm just gonna drop it. Okay, let me just open this in a way that you can both see and Of course I had to grab an entire weapon from my kitchen, but I couldn't find the scissors. And again, we're going for speed. I wasn't using sound for that last 30 seconds. Oh well. Na, 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 na. I don't know what song I'm singing, but I'm singing a song and I'm so excited to be getting this package because I'm happy about it. The close-up shots, you can see the reflection of the posters behind my camera. This is the box, it's very pretty. I'm just doing this all here. Okay, so you can see there's this nice, with some plastic wrapping. Here's some ASMR for you. I feel like I'm stripping something. I felt that was strangely sexy, and I don't know why. Okay. Here's the box again, without the plastic wrapping. We're gonna open this really nicely for the camera. I don't know why I chose this. Oh, who'd I get? Did I get J-Bone? Yeah, I think I did. I think I got a little JB. And you can see my little international thing. Should I cover this up? It says my name on it. I don't know if I should cover that up. Well, my number or whatever. But there's these things inside of it. Here, let me just pull them out, actually. How nice. He's so cute. Will it focus? Yeah, there he is. Ooh, look at him. So shiny and silver. Hello, friend. And then this is my official. I can get into music shows eventually one day. One day I will go to Korea and get into a music show with this here fan club membership. I'm speaking it into existence. So those were on top of that. And then we're gonna open this here top flap thing. And inside we have more things to look at. I'm so excited about them. What is this? I don't know. Someone tell me what this is. We'll find out together. I'm gonna open this. More ASMR. Oh, it's the tape. There's a word for it. Stationary tape. Stationary tape. That's what it is. Oh, it's nice. And it has their little faces on it. You can do it. Camera, you can focus on this. I believe in you, camera. You can focus on this. Come on, camera. What you gonna do? If you focus on this, you'll make the viewers happy. Do 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 do. Yeah. Cool. And then I got all their little faces. Look at their faces. I love them so much. Oh, they're freaking mugshots. Oh, what cutie pies. Aw, find my necklace. Okay, and then, so yeah, so we also got a necklace. Girl, she's not really, her presentation is not the cutest right now, but you know what? We'll get there. I wear gold jewelry like literally every day, so I mean, I'm wearing like a pink, but it's got, you know, it's that gold still, so she will match every piece that I wear because I am a hoe for gold jewelry. I'll put her on right now. But she's a little dream catcher. And she's on. How does she look? And then the last little thing in the box is this photo book. And then that's it. It's an empty box now. It's an empty box. So I was gonna throw this, but I think it's actually too special to throw. So I'm gonna place it nicely. Is this making someone happy somewhere? I hope so. It's making me happy in this room right now, so I guess that's what matters. We have this book. It's pretty. Come here, gather round, class. Let me read you. Let me tell you the story of GOT7 and the dream catcher and GOT7 and Dreamcatcher, okay. And I gotta say, oh, look at them. I can't even really see it, but I know they're beautiful. I'm showing it to you first. You're seeing it first, people! Oh, JB, you look so good! Oh my god! Everybody looks good, but JB is the first person I made eye contact with in this moment. I made eye contact with him with a picture. It's like his eyes are following me everywhere. It's been a long day, everyone. Y'all really want me to walk through all of these pictures with me, but I'll at least show you one of each bias so everyone can feel represented right now. Look at J-Bomb with his freaking tea. What's the tea, J-Bomb? Tell me everything. I assume it's tea. Could be like apple cider because he's, you know, got apples. Now it's Mark. Mark is looking beautiful. Mark is looking sleepy, buddy. Okay, I'm showing you this one because I really like it. Look at how cute he is. Look at him. Wow, adorable. A gorgeous man. Oh my god, okay, Mark, no. Okay, we're skipping ahead again. I hate him because I love him so much. Jin Young. Here's what you want to see, everyone. These beautiful pictures of these beautiful men. Not me being crazy, I'm sure. Jin Young, you're so beautiful, God. Yeah, I almost cursed, okay. Here's Young Jae. Also a beautiful man. Look at him cheesing. I love it. Look, that smile. Is that apple just, oh, he probably threw it. I'm like, is the apple floating in the air? Is it just floating? It's a picture, Shannon. Things stop. Things stop where they are in pictures. Bam Bam! I love Bam Bam with dark hair. He's so beautiful. I will talk about how beautiful Bam Bam is every day of my life. And the baby Yug. Aww. Oh, he's so sleepy. I love him. He's my child. Go to bed. If you're so tired, you just gotta go to bed, buddy. And then there's more group shots. And then, ooh, at the back, I guess you can just write stuff because they want you to have a use for this. I appreciate that literally like 2/3 of this is just pictures of GOT7, and then the last third you can use it to write stuff in. Just so, like, you have a reason to like bring this with you everywhere. Like if you want to like if you want an excuse to just have pictures of them with you everywhere, this is a journal. And 2/3 of it is just pictures and nice notes from GOT7, and then the last bit, take your notes, go to algebra class and do math. the back of this book, or whatever you use your journals for. I don't know, but yeah, so that's really hilarious. Anyways, that's it. That's the unboxing. The sun is still out. We did this in record time. I've not done this before, so it's a record time because it's the first record. So there you go. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media. Links are down below. If you'd like to see more content like this, just leave it in the below place. You know the place that I'm talking about, the below place, the place that's underneath this video. And I will take a gander at it, and I will try to make something else to make you laugh a little bit. I hope this video made you smile today. And other than that, I'll see you next time. Bye. I signed up for the fan club because, yeah, I love GOT7, so I had to. I was like, you know what, if I have to spend my money on them, I'm gonna spend my money on them. What else do I work for, am I right? Why do I have a job if I'm not gonna spend money on things that make me happy? So, I did.